Hey guys, welcome back to the Passport Snob channel, and thanks for joining us for our last episode of Pandemic Trip Ideas US edition. Stay tuned.
The reason I get fly is Ivan Jasper. I even keep your picture in my passport. Love, wake up and...
On this week's episode of Pandemic Trip Ideas US edition, our very last one, we're going to be talking about remote ranches. Now, the reason why we picked this as a pandemic trip idea is because of one word: remote. Most of these ranches that allow you to stay on their ranch have limited availability, which means you're going to have limited contact with anybody else. The specific ranch we're going to be highlighting today is the ranch at Rocky Creek. This location has a maximum capacity of 75 guests, which makes it perfect pandemic trip idea. They have anything from 1-bedroom suites all the way to 5-bedroom log cabins. Located in the heart of western Montana, this ranch has made it to the top of the Forbes travel guide. With year-round operations, this location boasts so many different activities that are available for you to do, such as fly fishing, skiing, archery, horseback riding. There are so many different options to choose from, so it's definitely a trip that you will not get bored from or of. So this is also another reason why it made our pandemic trip ideas. And even though there are so many activities on the ranch itself, this ranch is located just halfway distance from Glacier and Yellowstone National Park. So even if you wanted to venture outside of the ranch itself, there's plenty of activities and things for you to do outside of the ranch if you chose to. There's so many reasons to check out the Rock Creek Ranch, and we hope that if you're ready to travel, that this could be a great idea for you, your family, and friends to check out even throughout this pandemic. So if you happen to learn something from this video and we gave you some great ideas, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and share. Until next time, guys.